Welcome, Rich here, and in this video I'm going to be walking through the basics to using the CB traffic app, along with some steps and directions to get the best out of the tool. So the first thing you need is your login in details, which is your username and your password, and this should have been sent to your email address. It will be the same email address that you purchased this product with using Warrior Plus. So go ahead and check your email and make sure to check your junk and spam folders. Look for that login details. If you can't find that, then please do get in touch with our support desk. Now the next thing you're going to need is your Clickbank accounts, which is very easy to get hold of and they are free. So what you need to do is just go over to Google, and then if you search Clickbank and then click on the first link, click on it, and then all you have to do then is just sign up. And what it will do is it will ask for some details from you, and at some point it's going to ask you to create a Clickbank nickname. So you can choose your nickname, and then once you've got your Clickbank account set up, if you go to the CB traffic app software, now over here you see an avatar icon. If you click on that, and if you see profile, if you click on profile, and over here at the bottom you see it says Clickbank username. So this is where essentially you type in your Clickbank username. So I'll just type in, and then you just click save. Okay, and so now we're ready to start creating campaigns. And there's actually 4 steps that I suggest you take in order to get the best out of the software each time that you want to create a campaign. So the first thing that you want to do is find videos that you can use as content. And so the way the CB traffic app works is essentially it allows you to share these campaigns, which are composed of underlining video, affiliate links, or products that you're promoting on top of that video, and then also social share buttons. So basically it's a 3-in-1, and we've got affiliate promotions, and we've got video content, and we've also got the ability to go viral and get free traffic. Okay, so but the content really is the starting point, and the great thing about the CB traffic app is we actually don't need to use our own content. We can use other people's content, and the easiest way to approach this is just to go over to YouTube and search for how to, and then enter whatever the benefit is that you think your particular customers in that niche market are interested in. So let me go over to YouTube. Okay, so if we go over to YouTube and say we type in how to build muscle, okay, and then if we click on the first video, you can choose whichever video you want, but if you click on the first video,
hey, my name is Russell, and
okay,
hey everyone, just wanted to explain the changes.
If you go to the top and of the actual YouTube and you copy the YouTube URL at the very top, and then now we can use this as our content, and we can also create content ourselves, and we can also add content from different places. But once we've done that, we've basically done all the groundwork, and so we're now ready to go back to the software and start creating our campaigns. So if we go back over to the CB traffic app, okay, and if you go over here and you click on new campaign, right, and it's going to ask you for a name. So what I'll do is I'll type in how to build muscle. Our video source, so over here you can actually add the MP4 link, and you can use a Vimeo link, but you know, YouTube is what I suggest you start with, because it is the easiest option. And so we choose YouTube and then video URL. So all you do is you now paste the video you've just got from YouTube, and you see that it automatically uploads the video onto the software. And so now I'm going to click next, and this is where the fun stuff begins, because CB Traffic App is preloaded with 8 of the top Clickbank niches, okay, and 70 affiliate programs for all 8 of those niches. So in this case, I'm looking at the health niche. In this case, I'm looking at the build muscle niche. You can also actually see, we've got money making, we've got internet marketing, and we've got, health, we've got home and DIY. So there's several niches here, but yeah, like I said, we're gonna, in this case, we're looking at build muscle. And now you see that there's key information that's already there that the software has added. Your title, you've got the description, you've got the tags, you've also got retargeting. And what basically retargeting is you retarget and advertise to people who visited your campaign. So on this one, I'll just leave that out. But what you'll also see here is the number of products. Now you can see over here we have these different product sections, and for the best results I suggest that you start off with 4 products, because that's how many there is here, the sections. So I'm just going to put in 4, and then what you then see is the tick comes up, and now you just click next. Okay, so now it's time to look at the product section. So over here it's time to choose the products. So let's go with the first one. Now when you click on there and you click on choose a product, you see you've got a variety of different products on how to build muscle that you can pick. So let's start off with just unlock your glutes. Okay, and then what it does, and by the way, these are listed in order of gravity. So what I mean by that is popularity of the product. Okay, so let's go to unlock. No, let's go with isometric mass. You can now then see the titles there, the description, you've got the price of the product, you've got the link, and if you remember before, our Clickbank nickname, it appears there on the link if you can see that. And then so you've got all the key information there, you can see that, and it's just basically a breakdown of everything that you would need. Okay, it's instantly added to the video in order to launch the campaign. Okay, so that's product 1, and so now let's go to product 2. If we go to, we'll just start at the top, unlock your glutes, and it will provide all the key information again. Let's go to product 3, flow state training, and then let's go into product 4, critical bench. Now you can see that all 4 products here, they've all got with the content, the copy, the images, everything is basically done. So the campaign's done now, and it basically only took, as you can see, a few seconds literally to do. So this campaign is done. We can now go into the customization page. So if you click on next, and what you can do over here, we can now change the color of the player background. So this is the if we click yellow, you see blue. Okay, so you can play around with the color. You can remove the control bar, okay, which might be useful in terms of drawing attention to these different sections here. You can remove that. You can also remove autoplay, okay, but for now I'll just keep that on, and I'll keep the control bar on. Alright, and you can also add a thumbnail image just right here.
Hey everyone, just wanted to explain the change.
Okay, and so under the product section, there's also a lot of things you can change. We can change the title size.
Usually we film these videos in a video, but we're going to be filming from.
So we can change the the price size. If we go to say 24, so you can see it's a lot bigger. You can change the price color.
From now on.
You can change the call to action size, so you can play around and just change a few things. You can change the call to action text. You can change the button color. And then you've also got the sharing links. We can add them. So look, if you click on what you do, you see Facebook added onto the actual video. If you can add Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest. So you can see all them added now onto the actual video itself. You can also add a branding icon on top, and what you see is it will actually appear. You see that it will appear there, branding logo. So you'd have to upload that from your desktop. And so in that case I'm just going to remove it. Okay, and now you can see the campaign, and then all you do once that's done, you just click submit. Okay, and then now you can see that the campaign's been added. Okay, this was one I added earlier on. So yeah, now you can see the campaign's been added. And once you've done that, you want to click on the promote icon on the left, navigation bar on the left side, and then you see all the social accounts. You see all of them here. And what you need to do is, it's really simple. You just click and select on the campaign you've just created, and if it's time for you to start sharing on these social accounts. So for some of them you may not have, you just need to register. So if we click on Dig, for example, what it will do is how to build muscle. Okay, so if you select the campaign you've just been working on, and then you go and click on the social account, and what you see is it will ask you to sign in or sign up. So whatever social account you go on, if you've not registered to it, then you'll have to sign up to it. Okay, and then you can start promoting on there. You can start sharing. Okay, so, and that's it. You've got your first campaign created. But now what I want to do is, now I just want to walk you through some of the fundamental practices and the best ways that you can start using CB Traffic app. So the first thing I would recommend, focus initially with just one niche market. Okay, so that might be affiliate marketing, it might be losing weight, but initially start by focusing on just one. So of course, you can start with the done for you campaigns. Post one a day. Once you've exhausted those done for you campaigns, you can then start to scale. Now there's a few ways to do this. Firstly, you can tweak the current 70 templates to your specific products. So all the copywriting, all the description, everything that's there can basically act as a template for you, not to just promote those particular products, but also to take those products and spin them and use them as a starting point. So for any other promotion you do. Secondly, set up your software store, which is basically the websites that will allow you to sell 10 of the most all-time top selling software instantly.